What are you doing?
Splitting wood, man. Gotta get ready for winter. It's harsh New Jersey winter. Yeah, that's all three that fell down right there. Actually, that's two, because there's oak and the elm is in the back. We haven't split the elm yet.
Zena, Zena. What's the matter? What's the matter? The garden is dead, except for a few jalapenos. We have to clean up all of this. A few more eggplants coming. Our climbing vine, which the hummingbirds absolutely love, but they're gone for the season. And that's Zena, our good doggy. And Josie's back there. Josie, Josie! Come here. Oh, look at the pretty Josie girl. And this is the RV. That's Zeus. We still have the just married sign on the back because it's only been 2 weeks. 2 weeks today. And this is our backyard, which we named our yard when we bought this house 7 years ago. And that is what we named it. So.
Interesting. That's pretty cool, right?
It's beautiful. Leaves.
There's a pile of rocks on the side.
Where are we today?
We're at Riamede Apple Farm, place I used to go when I was a wee one.
Yep.
I mean a real wee one in Chester, New Jersey, and got our hot apple cider, and we're gonna go find some apples.
How old are some of the apple trees here?
Some of these apple trees are over 100 years old.
No, they're older than that. Remember last year he told us?
So she has to correct me on camera.
I'm sorry.
It's the Granny Smiths, the original green apples.
200
Yeah.
years old. Some of these trees. Let's see them.
Nice. Tag them and tag them. Oh yeah.
You got juice on the nose. Okay. I mean, this is a huge orchard.
Mm-hmm. Go on diagonal.
Look at them all. Look at that. These are the red delicious. Oh, look at those. That's a pretty one. A lot of them have been picked, but there's still a lot available. Look how pretty. There's tons. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at that. How pretty.
That one right here. Another one right here. I can't turn them down. I can't pass this one up.
Oh, there's a lot of them up there. Look at all that.
This is like a grapefruit. Look at this.
Look at that. Look at all of them up there.
I see him. It's like a grapefruit. Look at the size.
Look at how pretty.
They don't pick them. Got a very big orange stripe. Orange stripe. These are cool ones.
Oops.
These are cool.
Okay.
I smell pies.
Smells. Too bad it's not smell-o-vision. Did we get
We
full
got
bag?
22 pounds.
22 pounds, and how much was it?
$2.12 a pound.
Total?
40 something.
2 and change. Not inexpensive. $42 worth of apples.
Especially since we picked them ourselves.
They charge you extra for that.
Since it's so valuable, I'm going to seat belt it in.